What's good, guys? Welcome back to Onyema TV. Omo, in this life, there are people who have what they call old money, and there are people who have what they call young money. Now, you ask me how. This video you're seeing here, the person who this man actually stood up for, guess who he is? That is the billionaire, the famous billionaire father of a very famous Nigerian celebrity. Yes, public, I'll just say a socialist that everybody knows very, very well. Joey Zaza, that's the father, the owner of Chisco Oil. Now, you see, immediately he got into this place, all of them, Emoney, Obi Cubana, name them, the young money, all of them, they stood up for him. Ego Amaka, money is good. Well, I don't have much to say. I just saw this video and I felt like I should share with you guys a way of motivating ourselves, that yes, if we continue to put in the work, it will definitely pay. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe.
8 years ago.
Angels get Yankee. Angels were vintage. Yeah, how many years ago? Obi Cubana.
You can make every change in Igbo. You can have what tax in Igbo.
Before we win the election.
Yes, before election, they go no challenge. This is vintage. Olen Capri. Oh,
that's after 3 years. As I'm
we have been supporting when yourself money. We will support you.
the angels.
Prepare yourself.
How you doing, the angels. Obi Cubana. As I'm
because it's a taco to the moneda. When you wake up, I don't hear vintage the loss of